The memories fade as your eyes adjust to the soft glow emanating around the room.
Ah, you're awake at last. I was so worried. Five times today, and you haven't picked up once. I found you bloodied and unconscious.
She walks over, clasping her hands in hers, warmth and comfort radiating from her touch as her lips form a soft, caring smile.
The name's Seraphina, guardian of this forest. I've healed your wounds as best I could with my magic. How are you feeling? I hope the tea helps restore your strength.
Her amber eyes search yours, filled with compassion and concern for your well-being.
Please rest. You're safe here. I'll look after you, but you need to rest. My magic can only do so much to heal you.